back. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So I am really excited. We have a brand new subscription to our channel. Yay! And that is the Tribe Beauty Box. Now, for those of you that are not familiar, this is a bi-monthly subscription. So this is actually the June-July box. And let's see. Make sure I give you the correct information. Like I said, for those of you that are not familiar, you will receive 5 full-size items every other month for, it's $34.99, and it's always valued over $100. Now, this is a woman-owned, women-run subscription. Can't talk, which I think is fantastic. So it is a Canadian-based subscription, which is really cool. I think it's really awesome that we can get it here. And I will put a link below if you would like to sign up. It'll actually save you a little bit, so yay. But like I said, it's $34.99 every other month, and like I said, you do receive 5 full-size beauty items. So let's go ahead and get in here. Before we do get into the actual unboxing, I do want to remind you guys we do have our 3,000 subscriber giveaway going on. That does run through the 17th of July, so make sure you enter if you have not already. There will be a link down below. And as always, please do leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Give me a thumbs up if you love the video, or just because it really helps me out. And if you have not already, make sure to smash that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. So let's get in here and see what we got for June, July 2019 with Tribe Beauty Box. Alright, so this is what we see when we open it. So I'm guessing this must be the theme, Vanity and Glam. Oh, and I can see they do put pricing on here, which I love. So that is awesome. So, I am excited. So this, when I move this, we have some pink peanuts. You can see there, they're like a light pink. So I already see a brand that I recognize and love, so I'm going to pull that out first, which is this Wander Beauty product. So let's see what this is. So this is the Wander Beauty Dive In Moisturizer. Awesome. I love Wander Beauty. I have had mascara from Wander Beauty. I have had blush, eyeshadow. I've had quite a few, a peel off mask, which, ooh, but that's just peel off mask, and myself, we do not get along. But I have not had, I don't believe, a moisturizer from them, so I'm actually really excited. 72-hour hydration. Are you gonna go 72 hours without washing your face? Dive into 72 hours of moisture. 13 fruit extracts work to hydrate, brighten, and protect for a healthy looking skin. Apply a pea-sized amount onto clean face and gently massage. Can be used each morning or night. And it's mineral, this is formulated without, so it is free of mineral oil, parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrance. It is cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan, dermatologist tested, so awesome. That's one reason I really do like Wander Beauty. It's kind of hard to see. There we go. So there's that. So yay, I am so excited. All right, so 1 for 1. Let's see what it says here on the card about the product. The lightweight and non-greasy gel cream texture quickly absorbs and works well with makeup for a beautiful complexion. It is enriched with pentavitamin, which binds water to skin and creates a moisture barrier, providing up to 72 hours of deep hydration. That is valued at $36. So just that one item right there is more than the box, just over the cost of the box, which is awesome. All right, so then the next thing I see, I feel like I've got peanut stuff on me. So the next thing I see here is Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. This is a limited edition. This is worth $26. So here's your packaging. The Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil from Dr. Botanicals is brimming with minerals and vitamins working to repair and protect skin and leave it healthier looking. Lightweight and non-greasy, the potent serum has a delicate fragrance and effortlessly melts in. Now, I am really not a fan of rose scented products. This is vegan, which I like. It is cruelty-free. Apply 2 to 3 drops to cleansed skin. Now, so what I'm probably going to do, or what I will do, is I am going to, like I said, I just posted the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. But here's the thing is I'm already over 3,500. So I'm already starting to put stuff aside and buy things for the 4,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to be optimistic and hope that we get there very soon. So this is the product outside of the box. So this is the oil. It got all shook up. It looks like, sorry. So this I'm actually going to set aside and put into that 4,000 subscriber giveaway. And again, that had a retail value of $26. Yay! All right, so then we have LA Splash Sinfully Angelic Lip Gloss, valued at $18. Soar into the heavens with your new Sinfully Angelic Lip Gloss. They offer worldly protection while still giving you that glossy, glamorous look. If I did not say, it's $18. And I got the color 805 Cassiel. I'm not sure. I am not sure. LA Splash. It doesn't say anything. I'm not saying anything about being like cruelty-free or vegan or anything like, well, of course I broke it. I broke the thing. Oh, that is a really pretty color. This packaging is very nice too. I really, really like that a lot. I like that a lot. And it has this type of doe foot applicator. Oh, and it is way more opaque than I thought it would be for a gloss. Y'all, that is so pretty. I love this. I think the packaging is beautiful. I am very excited to give that a good try. All right, so then we have a crown brush set. This is the rose gold eye set for $19. And not sure why it's called rose gold, because there is absolutely no rose gold on these brushes at all, but that's okay. Being that this is an eye set, this is a $19 value. We've got the brow and lash groomer, an oval concealer brush, a deluxe chisel fluff, and a deluxe precision detail. So you can see the brushes here. I'm actually going to set this to the side as well for the 4,000 subscriber giveaway. I do love brushes, and I don't think you can have too many brushes, but I just think one of you guys will be able to use these, and I love giving back. So I'm going to put that in the 4,000 subscriber giveaway as well. Now, we have one more product in here, which I actually already have. And it's amazing. It is the Iby Beauty. It is the City Limits palette right here. I love this packaging. It's $20. This eyeshadow palette, I can't read. This eyeshadow palette is packed with 12 highly pigmented, buttery, and blendable shades infused with rosehip seed oil for skin protecting properties. And I love this palette. I think it is so pretty. It's so versatile. You can really do so many different looks with this. So So the outer packaging of the actual palette is the same as the box. Whoop. So I had the little plastic there. Sorry if I'm blinding you guys. But these are the colors. So you have neutrals, but then you do have like this really pretty blue, and then the green, and then this like magenta. So you can create so many different looks. That is so pretty. So can you guess what I'm going to do with this? I'm going to put this to the side for my 4,000 subscriber giveaway. Because like I said, I already have this palette and it is amazing. So we have 3 of the 5 products going to the 4,000 subscriber giveaway, but that is perfectly fine. So we have the City Limits palette by Iby, the 4-piece Crown Eye brush set, and then the Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. Those 3 items will be in the 4,000 subscriber giveaway. And then I got, and I'm really excited to give this a try, from Wander Beauty, the Dive In Moisturizer, and this really, really pretty lip gloss from LA Splash. So that was the Tribe Beauty Box for June and July 2019. Like I said, it is $34.99 every other month. I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up, as well as save some money. So I definitely think it's a great box. I really enjoyed this. I love IBY palettes. I think the formula of them is really fantastic. So to see one in here, to me, to see a lip product, a moisturizer, a facial oil, brushes, a palette, that's a really good combination of products. And I really like seeing stuff like that in subscription boxes. So Tribe gets 2 thumbs up for me for my first box. What do you guys think? Do you get Tribe Beauty Box? Let me know down below. Again, don't forget we have the 3,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now. So head over and check that out. That link will also be below. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.